When Prince, also known as the artist, passed away, there were several things discovered that just showed how much of a visionary he was. He left behind his glorious home turf museum, Paisley Park, his 2 singing doves, Divinity and Majesty, a legendary scrambled eggs recipe, a handful of properties, including the house from Purple Rain, nearly $500,000 spread across 4 different bank accounts. But there are 2 more interesting things discovered that stood out. Underneath Prince's Paisley Park estate is a bank vault full of unreleased music, enough to release a new album every year for the next century. It remains to be seen whether that music will ever be released. We certainly hope so. The world could always use Prince's artistry and insights, but Prince also had 67 10-ounce gold bars. That would be worth more than $1 million today. Yes, Prince was not just an artistic genius, he was a savvy businessman, and he was also a genius investor. We would never know when Prince started buying gold or why. He obviously liked jewelry. Was it possible he was going to turn those bars into some at some point? Sure. If you'll recall, he also had a single called Gold, taken from the 1995 album dubbed The Gold Experience. Was it possible he knew we were headed towards an economic downturn? This is Prince we're talking about. Anything is possible, but one thing we know for sure, that he saw the value in the metal enough to own 67 bars of it. It's time we learn a thing or two from Prince. Unfortunately, we can't be an artistic genius like him. So let's follow his lead on things we can do, like on what asset to invest. Are you just getting into metals and you want to learn more? Check out our gold and silver investment guide. It has all the information you need, all the questions answered, and a really good read for someone just starting out. If you want to learn about investing in gold and silver, click the link below.